Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Once again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your Vodafone account from your desktop. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Okay, on your computer, first open up your preferred browser. As I have already opened the Google Chrome, you can see, and click on the source bar and type in vodafone.com.au, or you can just simply search for Vodafone login like this on Google itself, and you can see log into my Vodafone. Open up here, and now to log into your Vodafone account from this website, you can see the log me in, you can see the log me in option available over here. Click over there and click on manage your account, and let's let the page load first. And after that, you can see both these websites are the same. Now if you want to log into Vodafone through this website, just click on login now, and the same website will open to log into Vodafone. So basically all these are same websites, so let's close one of these. And now to log into your Vodafone account, enter your Vodafone mobile number or your mobile brand or your mobile broadband home internet or NBN number, and they will send you an instant link via SMS or email to you. Then you'll be logged into your Vodafone account. Input your Vodafone detail which you are using there from their service. And there guys, this is how you log into your Vodafone account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching guys. Peace.